Hello guys, in this video we have learned number triangle. Number triangle means I want to take 1, now 2, 2. This is called 3, 3, 3. I want to print this number triangle. Let's start. Create a file. Int I is equal to 1. Start from 1. I less than pattern minus pattern and I plus plus. We have declared the variable pattern is equal to 6. Now need for space because it's getting the space from the left side. Create and space is equal to 1. Start from 1. Go to pattern minus I. I is a value who is assigned the outer loop and space plus plus. Now we have cleared the space from the left side. He is taking the space. Now we pass the system.out. Now create the inner loop. In j is equal to 1, j less than I equal to I and j plus plus. Now print the I and come outside and give the next line. Now run this program. Oh, getting much more space. Now, but it's not going for 6 because I am starting from 1 to 6. Let's create a pattern less than equal to 6. Yeah, its output is this is the output guys. Thank you.